Bhoj Samranga Sutradhara. Raja Bhoj has given Samranga Sutradhara. And thereafter I said that विश्व में सभी जगह प्रकाश तो होना चाहिए और विश्व में कर्म करोगे then you will have. Yes or not? Vishwakarma has given prakash. If you will do in this earth and you are doing what is in a functions, yes or not, role, then automatically you will have prakash. So which are that we have seen? Mandana has given Vastu Shastra, and then I said that first, yes, tell me, Mandana has given Vastu Shastra, Aprajit Pracha has been given by Bhuvan Dev Aprajit, and then we have seen that another, yes, Samranga Sutradhara was Samranga Sutradhara Raja Bhoj, and then the next one, yes, tell me, Vishwakarma has given Prakasha. Understood it? याद हो गए? And then इससे पहले मैंने क्या बोला था? Which are the four texts and which are the four books are there? वास्तु शास्त्र के अनुसार से चलोगे, you will be अपराजित, and you have a lots of what is in a प्रकाश, and then प्रकाश से क्या हमने देखा? समान रंग, समरंगा सूत्रधारा. Can you remember? Now we are moving towards southern text. Where it is? And then southern text I said that Mansara, yes, which one I said that? Maya Mata. And then I said Mansara, Maya Mata, and then Sakal Adhikara. Kiska hai? Sakal Adhikara. And then Amsum Bhad Amsu Mad Veda. So I said that which are the books I said that in the south? First one I said, yes, Mansara, Maya Mata, and then I said Sakal Adhikara, and then I said Amsum Mad Veda. Understood? So if I said that सारी दुनिया किसके पीछे है? माया सारा. एंड सबसे ज्यादा माया कौन करती है आपके हाउस में? Who does lots of Maya? Mata. So much of emotions. Yes or not? Father always maintains some distance. Okay. So I said that. मैं ऐसे ही मजाक करते रहता हूँ. But who does lots of Maya, more emotion, most of the love to you? Mata. तो माया सारा कौन देती है? माया माता. Who? माया माता. और जब भी आपको माया और माता का दो शकल दिख जाता है, माता का शकल दिखा? Have you able to see your mother's face? Yes, mother's face. I said that Mansara, Maya Mata. और माता का वर्ड आते ही you can be able to see your mother's face, beautiful mother's face and all. Yes. और अमसुम मदभेदा. और किसी भी चीजों में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ऐसी चीजों में भेद नहीं कर सकते. Yes or not? मदर मदर होती है, सी इज अल्टीमेट एंड सी इज कंसिडर टू बी, यदि पोएट्रिक बोला जाए, सी इज एन ऑलमाइटी, सी इज द व्हाट इज एन इमेज ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. एंड हमने क्या बोला? आई सेड दैट मनसारा माया माता. एंड हु इज माता? आई सेड दैट माया माता का देखते ही आपको सकल अधिकार, यू कैन बी एबल टू सी सकल अधिकार. एंड देयर आफ्टर आई सेड दैट यू कांट डू, सबके बीच में कोई भेद नहीं है. अमसुम मद, कोई भी मत में भेद नहीं. मेरे एम आई राइट? कोई इस बारे में आप लोग का भेद तो नहीं है दैट नहीं माता इज नॉट सपोज टू बी गुड. एवरीवन हैज एन समान विचार, एवरीवन हैज द सेम व्यू. सो अमसुम बद भेदा. सो विच आर द फोर बुक्स? फर्स्ट मनसारा, माया मता, सकल अधिकारा, एंड देन अमसुम मद भेदा. यस, माया सारा, माया मता, सकल अधिकारा, एंड देन अमसुम मद भेदा. माया माता किसने लिखा? मायासुरा. बहुत आसान आसान सा है, लेकिन यू कैन इजिली रिमेम्बर. माया माता हैज बीन रिटन बाय मायासुरा. सकल अधिकारा. यस, यू नो दैट आई सेड दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द बर्थ इन द वर्ल्ड यूज्ड टू टेक प्लेस इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त. इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त लॉट्स ऑफ किड्स गेट बर्थ. सो सबसे ज्यादा सकल कब निकलता है? यस, Agastya. Which one is that? And then Amsum Madveda. आप इसको याद कर लो. Yes? Kashyapa. आप इसको ऐसे याद कर लेना. Yes? So which are that we have seen? Tell me fast. Northern text, southern text. Northern text. And the northern text first. Vastu Shastra. First one is text. Vastu Shastra. and then another is Aparadit Pracha, and then I said that Prakasa, and then I said that Samranga Sudadhara. Yes, which are the 4 texts? फटाफट बोलो, ये मेंस में भी लिखना है आपको. You have to write. Which one I said that? Vastu Shastra, Aparadit Pracha, Prakasha, and Samranga Sutradhara. Yes, and who has written, I said that Aparadit Pracha? देखो नहीं. Who has? Bhuvan Dev. And who has written, I said that Samranga Sutradhara? Raja Bhoj. And who has written, वहां नहीं देखना है आप लोग, don't make your eyes to move toward that. And who has written Prakasa? And thereafter, who has written Maya Mata? And who has written Chalo. So these are the four texts each side. Yes, and then I said that Sakaladhikara and then Amsum Madhveda. So next one we are going to see that there is I said Avilasa Tirtha Sintamani, or I said that Mansolasa is also an important soul. So Avilasita, which I said that Avilasi Tirtha, Avilasi Tartha Sintamani, मतलब चिंता नहीं करो, अभिलाषा करो. क्या करो? Yes. Life में क्या करना चाहिए? You should have a desire instead of what is a thinking, oh, I'm not getting this, I'm not this. So, and then work on it. So I said that चिंता नहीं. I said that Avilasa Sintamani and then Mansolasa, मन अपने आप में उल्लास में आ जाएगा. And this is then one book. It is also for Indian sculpture. Understood? A part of it, ये सब तो है बकवास. Understood? Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, and which Purana? Out of 18 Puranas. We are going to see principles related to image making. Principles related to image making, and then first we have to see classification of image. And then images of, or I said that portability, which I made it. Portability, completeness and countenance. Portability, completeness and countenance. किसके बेसिस पे देखेंगे? Portability. And then another I said that completeness and then countenance. Sometimes when you see some image, what you see that some image which has been formed in, I said that in Shravan Belgola. It is in a portable, कहीं ले जा सकते हो या it is in a achal or achal? Achal, yes. And some image बनाते हैं और कुछ दिन के बाद कहीं और ले जाके डाल देते हैं पानी में. So some images are what? Chal, another is what? Achal. That he can move, it is in a what? Achal, and then achal. And completeness. Sometimes you have a feeling, but those who are really an art and culture lover, knowing about the sculpture, they can say that this sculpture is not complete, this sculpture is what? Looking full of completeness. Some are pun and some are apurna. Understood? Completeness. And then on the basis of countenance, countenance means peace. And then by seeing some image, sometimes filled with what? What is a Santa? And sometimes by seeing some images, so Santa. So which are the types of image making? Yes, tell me. Completeness. आ जाएगा क्वेश्चन यही. Portability, completeness, and then countenance. Portability, yes, tell me. चल अचल. And then completeness. Complete word से नजर आ रहा है. पूर्ण अपूर्ण. And then we have been able to see. Yes, tell me. And countenance, Santa and Asanta. Mudra. आप लोग कभी देखते होंगे कि there is some hand movements and something is there, on the basis of it you are able to say something. Yes? So mudra, that expressing without saying something. Yes or not? Image speak about themselves. Yes or not? Yes? ये क्या है? आशीर्वाद. अभय मुद्रा. I am ready to protect you throughout your life. Yes? Abhay mudra. Means I said that. So mudra says without saying something. Yes or not? Somebody is coming over there. So I said that through the mudra, images speak about non-verbal communication, but it is in a self-expressions. Natya Shastra, Abhinay Darpana. Bharat Muni, who has written Natya Shastra? Bharat Muni. Can be able to see that in the art, if you go in the south में जाओगे, south में क्या होता है? Yellow color, and then sometimes red streaks. In Malayalam, Kerala, there is a what? 2 Ks. 1 K Kathak, UP, and when the 2 K comes, Kathakali. And 1 K for extra K for Kerala. So Kathakali is what? And Mohini Attam. What is there? Kerala. And then they are making Mohini Attam is something different. What is in a what? The dance, I said girls for what is in a attractiveness. Is in a Mohini Attam. And then I said Kathakali, the red streak, and then colors are started showing different kind of what? Position. So I said that different kind of what is an expression, and then become and we can be able to see that what Natya Shastra and Abhinay Darpana is saying so many things without actual verbal communication, and these are considered as what? Mudras. And then which mudra we are going to see? Hasta mudra. And then ध्यान से याद करते चलेंगे. UPSC can ask these things. Which one I said that? Abhay mudra. Which mudra I said that? Mudra में. And there are 64. लेकिन हम लोग important one 6 7 will do. Abhay mudra. I am here to protect you. And then when you are doing something, you are trying to get the jnana. You try to get. So it is known as a which mudra? Jnana mudra. Which mudra? Killer. That is in a knowledge. And then dhyan mudra. It is in a kind of what? Here it is in a kind of, it is dhyan mudra. Understood? So which are the mudra we have seen? वहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा कि 2 hands are coming together at the what is in a nearby the legs. It is considered as a what? Which mudra? So I say that. So which are the mudra we have seen? Abhay, Jnana, and then Dhyan. Understood? And then another I said that Tarpan. Which mudra I said that? So feeling of gratitude. So Tarpan and paying homage to someone who like this. So paying homage to someone, if you go to what is it, someone's cremation and all that. So I said that paying homage. So paying homage. Can we tarpad mudra? And this is I said that giving me sparsa, giving force. I said that earth touching, calling earth to witness, and victory over the Mara. Means someone, it is in a victory over the Mara, that is in a earth, and then you are the powerful. So Bhumi spurs mudra. So which are the mudra we have seen? And making others to subdued. Yes or no? And then what is the mudra we have seen? Abhay mudra. This is what? Abhay. And then I said Jnana mudra, Dhyan mudra. And thereafter which mudra? So this is Darpan, and thereafter, and then another, which mudra I said? Yes, sir. Bhumi spurs. Bhumi, and then Dharm Chakra mudra. Dharm Chakra. And then giving the, I said that, turning the wheel of Dharma. Then you started giving the, what is an understanding of Dharma? The Dharma and mudra, this is, I said that. Understood? And then ये तो आप लोग इस सिटिंग को जानते होंगे आप लोग. Varda mudra. I said that. Sometimes bodhisattva that they used to sit like this. Bodhisattva. Who I said that? And then he is like this, and something like this he is doing over there. The feeling of compassion for the other. Feeling of, I said that when it is doing something that I am holding you, and I am trying to give you something. I am going to hold you and I am going to give you. So I said that it is in a compassion for others. So which I said that Vara Mudra. So ये क्या हो गया? I am trying to hold you and I am trying to. So which are the 7 mudras? Tell me fast. Abhay Mudra. And then I said that Jnana Mudra, Dhyan Mudra, Tarpan, and then Bhumi Spars, Dharma Chakra, and Varda Mudra. Completely okay? So now we are going to see Pad Mudra. And how many Hast Mudras? 64. How many? And then important we have seen, and thereafter I said that there is a Pad Mudra, and then they are 6 in numbers. And यहाँ से करने से बेहतर है पहले यहाँ पे देखते चले. One leg is at the back and then thigh के नीचे. One leg is below the thigh and then one is what? Hanging. Understood? It is known as what? Vaishnavam. It is known as which mudra? And then this is the Hanuman mudra. Which mudra? And the Hanuman is ready to go towards Ali ke dham. He is किधर जाना चाहते हैं? भगवान की तरफ. And Ali Dham. Which mudra I said that? Can you remember? And then this is known as what? Udar. And then udar से बांध कर मतलब ऐसे रहेगा कि आप ऐसे बैठ के अपना. So which mudra? Udar bandh. Which I said that? Udar bandh. Then first I said that Vaishnavam. Second I said, tell me first. Ali Dham. And then I said that. So yes, tell me first one.